Welcome viewers to Softedemy, a software engineering academy. Today I am going to discuss with you about while you updating your actual units or cost in Primavera P6. So you can update your units or cost separately in Primavera P6, and you can link both one by applying your units per time rate. Also, you have considered all these setting. I have already explained with you these things before. So today the concern is not that one to update your actual units. So there are two type of actual units and cost updation in Primavera P6. So two settings. So how we calculate these settings in Primavera P6? I will go here in Primavera P6 and I will show you in projects, and there are settings in projects calculation. So you can see add actual remaining. So here I will go in my project. So there are two options: add actuals to remaining. The other one is subtract actual from add completion. I will briefly explain you about the setting when updating an actual units or cost. So make considered the one thing in the resource in activities. When you check this one, calculate cost from units, then you have to update your units only, then the units will be calculated to your cost. So if you have applied a units per time rate, then it will be applied. So if you uncheck this one, then your this action will be removed. Then so you understand the completely, if you remove this one, then you will update cost separately and units separately. So make considered that you have linked or unlinked before starting my lecture. So I will check this one. I will calculate my cost from units and multiply my rate with the units and calculate my cost from there. So let's continue the basic setting which I have to talk with you about. So the basic setting which I am going to talk with you about in resource assignment of the calculation at project level is when updating actual units or cost. So the first setting is add actuals to remaining. In the first setting, if I click on the first setting means that I put my estimates for what is remaining. So P6 will calculate at complete while adding my actual and remaining. So the at completion will be calculated. At completion will be calculated while adding actual to remaining. So here when I go here in the project, I will show you what I am talking about. Actual units and remaining units, these both one combine to get actual completion units. Just forget these three: actual cost, remaining cost, and at completion, because these are all three same and linked with it. So if I put started for this activity, I started this activity here, and if I add any units here, then my add completion unit will be calculated new one. For example, I add here $15 or 15 hours. Sorry for that one, because I'm updating units for that one, that we cannot talk about in dollars. So if I add here, but here it will be multiplied also. When I add here 15, you will see 15 are added in 2250 hours. It calculated 2265. So also the same here, cost is multiplied by 15 multiplied by 2. Here you know the price per unit rate is 2. So here 2, you can see 2 is multiplied by 15 and $30 come, and here it's both added and get at completion cost the same as I updated in units. So if I say that 3000 my actual have done, but it accumulates here at completion units. So at completion units always increasing while I am adding this one. So if I use this type of setting, add actuals to remaining, then whenever I add actuals here or I add any remaining here, for example, I remaining here, add here 1600, then you can see 4600 updated. So actual plus remaining will combine to make at completion. So do you consider that one your at completion? Your budget will be not changed. Budget will be remain same, but your actual and remaining will combine to make your at completion. In this type of setting, you can see the setting clearly. When updating actual units or cost, add actual to remaining. You can see clearly and you can understand from the narration that when you adding an activity actuals from here and remaining, it will combine you to make at completion. So let's talk with you about the second one option. Here I will go here and remove, and I remove your actuals to 0, and then here I go, and in status I unstart this activity, and now I start it again. In resources you can see it's reset again, 2250 at completion, 2250 at remaining, and 0 it go to reset again. So here we will look on subtract actual from at completion. So what does mean? So if we subtract actual from at completion, it means we are calculating our remaining units. So if we update our actuals, then at completion, which at completion means at completion is your budgeted units. The basically your budgeted units are at completion. If we click this one setting, I go here in the activities, at completion is basically your budgeted unit 2250 hours. Our cost you can consider, I have told you already, cost and units both are combinedly linked, so we don't need to update separately. So if we want to update separately, you can uncheck this one and you can update your cost separately. I can show you in one example. Let me finish this one first and then I will discuss with you about this one. So the thing which I am discussing you about, if we update here 1000, so it will deduct at completion and will get remaining. For example, I say 1000 will minus from 2250 and then it will get remaining. It will not add. In the previous case, these both add and combine at completion, but in this case this one minus this one and remaining units. In this case this one is fixed and this one minus this one. Actual units and remaining units are calculated from minusing actual units and at completion. So remaining units are cost. At completion unit minus actual unit, you will get your remaining unit. The same one, if we uncheck this one and we go here in the actual cost, so your at completion cost is 4500, and if we say that my actual is done up to 3000, and here 1500 will be left here. So we will click this one again and we will go into default here. It will go into default. It calculated from by multiplying by $2. So the remaining units are calculated by at completion units minus actual units. If you want to update your actuals and remaining to get your at completion, you can click that setting. I recommend you, if you are updating your actuals on daily basis and remaining, you can select this one. So if you don't want to update your remaining and you want to fix your at completion and actuals, you can put out your actuals and you can get your remaining, and your at completion will be fixed, and you can understand that you have not planned for a huge budget and your budget are equal to your actual, then you can use that setting. If your budget are exceeds from your at completion, then you can use this setting, add actual to remaining, to control your at completion. So thanks for watching Softedemy. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel, and like, comment and share. We will meet in our next interesting video.